We want to sit back. We want to release our own little identities, little minions, because we think we accomplished something. Think we're some establishment in that. I'm not trying to release a sound. I'm trying to release the sound of the kingdom. It's not my name that people are healed. It's not my name that people are delivered. It's not by my name that demons flee. There's no power in my name. There's no authority in my name. But I do know a name that every demon shall fall and tremble at the name of Jesus. I know a name that every knee will bow and every tongue shall confess. But what would happen if Summit knew the name and LCO knew the name and we as individuals knew the name and we walked with an amplification of the kingdom? Then we would understand how to take over the principalities and the powers and the strongholds and the gates, and we would release the harmony of the kingdom.